Hey everyone, so after a very long time, today I am here with economics project work for class 12th. So for now, the topic is a suspense. These are the student details and if you want a tutorial, then you can check another video by me on this particular channel. So it's acknowledgement, then certificate. Hey, it's toffee. Then next, so this is basically a topic, rural development. I have created this by my own. I have drawn it and decorated it as well and tied it with using a rope. It's the index. So you can look at this. It contains meaning, significance, introduction, issues, essential, planning, etc. etc. Then introduction to rural development, then introduction about it, then meaning of rural development, importance of rural development, objectives of rural development. This is a mini card. Then the process of rural development, that it is all about how the planning goes about it. Essentials of rural development. These are the basic components for the same. Then issues facing in rural development. These are lack of education, development of human resources, women empowerment, infrastructure development, poverty alleviation, lack of sanitation. And in further video, we have also discussed about its solutions. First of all, we are talking about rural women and women empowerment. Women empowerment. Then the graph showing women empowerment in India. Then some glimpses of women empowerment, how it works. This is basically Tanwa, Tamil Nadu Women in Agriculture. They basically participate to promote the agriculture activities. Then this is a scheme basically under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that Naye Bharat Ki Nari. It's the intro about it. Nextly, it's about sanitation. It is the graph about sanitation. Then our basic data. Then sanitation in rural areas theory. Then this is all about development of human resources. This is the theory. This is education in rural areas. Rural literacy rate and its graph. Then education in rural areas theory. This is employment generation programs, employment rate. So it is basically an analysis between males and females employment opportunities. This is the graph. Then nextly, it is employment in rural areas theory. It's all about infrastructure, its graph, then its theory. It's all about poverty rate, then poverty rate in India graph, then poverty elevation in rural areas. These are some main schemes like Manrega and etc. Then these are the engineering challenges for the same. So these are challenges of rural credit and challenges of rural marketing. Rural credit introduction, its sources. These are institutional and non-institutional. This is a graph showing how the institutional and non-institutional sources of rural credit work in India. Other sources of rural credit. NABARD, the most important. Functions of NABARD. Then microcredit schemes. Self-help groups. Introduction. One of the self-help group Kumbhshri. Then all about Kumbhshri. Then this is also that. Then another MNC or SHG. Basically it's SHG. Maveen. Its logo. And all about that and their mission. rural banking, positive and negative aspects of it. Then last but not the least, agriculture marketing. All about agriculture marketing. Then policy infrastructure, MSPs. Then buffer stocks, cooperative marketing structure, alternative marketing channels, agriculture diversification, the most important topic, and then emerging challenges, the need of diversification of productive areas and the need for organic farming. So organic farming is really a good need for us, and diversification of productive activities, like you can see, this is all about sustainable development. Then it's animal husbandry, all about animal husbandry, livestock, all about livestock, fisheries. It is one of the major sector in the southern India, western southern India. And then it's a horticulture. There are 5 kinds of horticulture, you can see. The vegetable, flowers, even it contains flowers and landscape designs, etc. too. And this is all about horticulture. Then organic farming and its benefits. Then organic farming, advantages of organic farming, challenges of organic farming. Then Operation Flood, it is the one of the major thing we have learned in this chapter. It is a very small topic, but it's equally important. Here I have mentioned also about Dr. Vegsi Kurin, the milkman of India, and this is the logo of Operation Flood. This is all about Operation Flood. The major steps taken by government to promote rural development. These are the MG Narega. Then MSMEs. This is the graph. Then it's all about MSMEs, how they grown up, etc., etc. Rural development and IT in the rural sector. So basically it's all about how IT sector is growing in all the areas. And then last but not the least, the most important, not very important, but it can be significant, that COVID-19 is a unforgettable part. So impact of COVID-19 on rural India, basically how its development got affected due to COVID-19. And then a material evidence. This is the most important and creative thing that we can add to our projects to enhance it. By these cards like this, here we have to paste some magazine and newspaper cuttings, this, some articles, etc. And then the conclusion of the project, the whole project is summarized into that. And then a questionnaire, it contains about 20 to 30 questions. Then a bibliography, this design is created by me self, and these are the sources from where I have collected, and there are many more which I can't mention so much, but I will search it a lot on this project. So bye bye for today, and meet you in my another video. Bye.